So this intro and this exit for this vlog is very stressful because I've been filming this for hours now, or like maybe days. I filmed this the other day and I still deleted the file because the thing is I'm having a lot of echo. I'm filming downstairs and there's no acoustic blankets everywhere. I just had one here, and I was filming earlier there near the stairs, and the thing is I can hear the echo and my voice is mush. So for this instance, I've tried to make it I've tried to make sure that I got everything in order. So I have this favorite mic of mine, the Rode NT USB, and I have a lav mic with me, so just I can choose between both audios. And yeah, I hope this works out right. Okay, back to the topic. I've reviewed this bag before. This wandrd hexad duffel, and I don't know if you can see, it's so dark, but yeah, I reviewed this bag before and wasn't able to upload it, so I used my 1DX Mark II, the C100 and the A7 III to film the video. So I finally finished it. Actually, I finished it before, but I haven't uploaded it, so like I'm gonna be uploading it now. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Check it out. Bye, what's up? I'm so stoked right now because I'll be reviewing these two cameras here. This one is the C100, which is a beast of a camera, an old school camera, which is still very good for filming, and has C-Log on it, log profile. It's so awesome. I'll be using my cheapo 10-18 lens from Canon. It's a crop lens because this is a Super 35 camera. I'm also going to be reviewing this Sony camera, the Sony A7 III, which is a beast of a camera. 3rd generation Sony A7. And I'll be using, since I have the MC11 here, adapter with Aldine's name on it, I'll be using my Sigma, my huge Sigma 24-35 f2, which is a beast of a lens also. There you go. It's gonna look big, but we'll see how it goes. The good thing about this is if you're gonna be using the MC11 on a Sigma lens, it's gonna autofocus. But for now, I'm gonna be reviewing one bag, and I'll be using the C100 to film myself. So here it goes. Yeah, I just rip the camera and swap it by doing what they all do that. Anyway, I'm gonna put this away and we're gonna deal with that later. So right now I'm filming on a C100 with a 10-18 crop lens, and this lens is a 4.5 to 5.6, which is not a shallow aperture, shallow depth of field, not the shallow aperture. Yes, so tonight I'll be reviewing this bag here. It's not really a review because the thing is I haven't used this bag, so it's more of a first impression look. This is the hexad, the wandrd hexad duffel. Why it's called hexad duffel? Let me just make it wider. So this bag here is like a duffel bag. You should just carry it like that, and then like that. And then the good thing about this bag is you can use it as a backpack. And yeah, like that. Like that. So, yep. So what I like about this bag here is that the workmanship is really good. Like, the material is like my favorite bag, which is the GoPro Seeker. This is my favorite bag. That's my daily bag. I bring it every day. I use it every day because that's my favorite bag. Okay, let's start with this one, the wandrd hexad duffel. You can get more information about this on YouTube or the internet or everywhere. You can go online, go to a website, you would know a lot about this bag. So what I'm going to discuss is what I'm going to find out, because the thing is, I'm not really familiar with this bag. I haven't used it, so I don't know. There's a lot of pockets on it. So let's start with this one here. This is the back side, which is the one that goes to the floor. And yeah, let's slowly. The top part of the bag has an ID pocket where you can put your IDs on it, and it has a lot of zippers. So this part here is a zipper here, the top part of the bag, wherein you could put a lot of stuff in there. Like, so that's one pocket here. You can put your phones. You can put keys here. It's quite. Also, if you won't be using this strap here, you can unhook it and then keep it here, so you won't be having any straps on your bag. So it's a good place to hide the strap. And it also has an outer zipper which closes it and hides these ones here. I'm not gonna do it because it's a lot of work. There's one pocket there for the straps and for the keys and everything for quick access. And yeah, let's first deal with the outer pockets, because they're outside the bag. When you go to this side of the bag, which is the right side of the bag, you can see a zipper here which has fleece lined. You can put your phone, you can put your sunnies or your shades on here, and it's a good pocket. It's deep, yeah, and it's fleece lined, so you won't scratch anything. You won't hurt your stuff. The lower part of here has a pocket also, and it has a note here which says RFID secure. So you can put your passports here, you can put your IDs, you can put your credit cards here, and nobody would be able to scan it. Like, they can put a machine and try to hack your information and everything. So this is RFID secure. You won't have problems with your card. Okay, the other side of the bag, which is I always look at my hand because I get disoriented, but this is the left side of the bag. It has two pockets on it. Has this strap here. So the top pocket would lead to the top shell of the inner of the bag. And when you open this, so we had 1, 2, 3, 3 pockets already. When you open this here, it also has a zipper where you can put some stuffs here. So that's third pocket. And that's where you get the inside of the bag. You can get cubes to put on there. And even has this small pocket here to clip on the cubes. Sorry if I'm not really thorough with this, because I haven't used the bag. I'm not really familiar with this bag. Other side here is where your camera bag is, like camera compartment. You can put a camera there, you can put a drone, and as you can see, the cube goes in here. You can close it. The cube goes there, and when you close your bag, it closes the cube. Also, it has this pocket here, so you can put some stuff, some memory cards, anything in this pocket. So that's a little bit counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets already. So we have 5 pockets. We'll close this part here. So this is the camera part of the bag. Okay, and then let's start with the inner part. So this top part here, the zipper is on the top part. There you go. So this top part here is where you can store some of your clothes, and you can put your laptop here. Laptop compartment is here. Okay, chrysanthemum something. So you can put your laptop. You can fit a 15 inches laptop, and it's easy access. When you're in the airport, you can just open it, take the laptop out here, show it, put it back in. So it's quick. Oh, I missed one pocket. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Oh, where's the pocket? Okay. Oh, I missed one pocket. There's a small zipper here on top Okay, when you open it, it's a big compartment that goes there. You can put your dirty laundry here. You can put your shoes, so it's safe. So it's a good compartment. This is the top compartment, and there's another zipper which is located. Where is it? I'm gonna close this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets already, with 6 as the shoe compartment. There's a bigger zipper here which goes around the bag, and if you open it, it separates this top part and the lower part. The lower part is where the cubes are. Like when you open it, you can see the camera cube, and when you open the other lower part, it's where you can put your clothes on it. So it's one cube. It's one, what do you call it? One compartment there. Inside the bag, you look closely. There's another pocket here, mesh pocket. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th compartment. There's another compartment on top, which is the 8th compartment. And when you look at this one here, it has the cube, but it doesn't have any compartment here. So 7 compartments already. And yeah, I think there's some more, but I don't know where. I haven't used this bag yet. And on the top part, you can open this part here and you can access your stuff. You can open your bag like this, access your stuff here, and you can see the laptop compartment is here. So you can put on your delicate clothes here, and you can put on your folded clothes in here. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah. So has a lot of zippers, has a lot of pockets, and yeah, I'm still looking for other. So yeah, just so yeah, basically those are all the compartments in the bag. There's a lot of compartments in this bag here, and I'm getting stressed out opening it because I don't know where. Like, yeah, it's a fairly big bag, but you can put it on a compartment. You can bring this on the plane with you, and it has a handle here, another handle here, so you can carry it this way, carry it this way. It has this straps here to strap your bag around. Yeah. For me, it's badass, and it's good for traveling. You can just put your bag there. You can see the intricate design up here. Just put your bag there, then open it, get your laptop. So yeah, it's not really a review. It's just showing you what this bag is, and that's it. I'll be testing this out soon, and by that time I can do a review. But for now, I'm just showing you this bag. So, roll B-roll. Okay, this is the bag here, and I was shooting the B-roll with a A7 III and this lens here, the 24-35 from Sigma with the MC11 adapter. So it's focusing. It's quite noisy, but it's focusing. And yeah, I'm using the 1635 2.8 for Canon on the MC11 and it's not focusing. So I'm just trying to wish that the focus right now is good. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Do more testing, more on the Sony, and then I'll see how it goes. Yeah, ciao. So that video was more of a first impression video wherein I haven't used the bag and I was just checking on all the pockets and everything. So I've used this bag for some trips that we had and I can tell more things about it. First of all, the build quality. The build quality is good, but it's kind of soft for this material here. Thing is, I prefer the North Face duffel because it's much thicker, and yeah, I like the handling of that bag. But this would do. This is kind of strong though, but it's just too soft. I'm not. I like soft bags, but for this type of bags, I prefer something stiff and yeah, just like the North Face duffel. Also, the back side of this bag is flat. I'd love to see this one curved, but I understand because the thing is there are cubes in here that would fit, like camera cubes that would fit in here, and it's best if it's formed a bit edgy or like square or rectangular in form. But I prefer the rounded ones from the duffel bags. They have the carry-all duffel, which is a bit rounded. I'm more interested with that because the thing here is that this backside is so flat. Like, look at it. It's flat. It's like you're bringing a box with you. So it would look cool if it's a bit curved here. And other than that, the pockets are good. Compartments are good. The planning of it is good. The worst, or the thing that I really don't like most about this bag here is just the zippers. As you can see, there's a zipper in the middle here, which creates like a clamshell opening for the bag. So you can put some stuffs on the top. You can put some stuffs on the cube. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So the bag's gonna open like this. The one thing I hate about it is this part here on the edges. Like when you close the zipper, look at that. So when you close the zipper, it stops this part here, like this. Okay, here it is. Try to close it. So yeah, whenever you try to close the bag or open it, it stops at the edges. So like, yeah, and it looks like the edges is just gonna rip in the long term. So I haven't used this one for many trips. I've used it for around 2-3 trips. And yeah, it gets stuck in here. I hate it, especially if the bag's full. When you try to close it, it's not a smooth flow. It stops at the edges. Check out the edges. Check out the edges. Like when you try to, it stops there and it doesn't go through. So yeah, it's a bit annoying. The top part here where the laptop compartment is found, it's a bit rounded, as you can see. So when you close it, it just flows. But this part here, the edge is like, where is it? Where is it? There you go. The edge is like on the tip, so look at that. It stops. So yeah, that's the only thing that annoys me with the bag. The rest of the parts, like the packing cubes, the organization, the planning of where you can put stuffs, it's good. Just that corner zipper gets stuck. If they can use big zippers, like those big teeth zippers, I don't know, like I don't know what they call, but if it's smooth when you close it or you open it, that would have been great. Yeah, so looking to selling that bag. If you're interested, hit me a message. Yeah, I'm gonna replace it with a hexad carry-all duffel. This is the hexad access duffel, so you can access it, stuffs from the sides. So yeah, since I like the north face itself, I think I'd like the carry-all duffel. But yeah, it's still good. I'll still give it a thumbs up. Yep, that's it for now. Goodbye.